Okay, so to begin with, light is caught and phototransduced by the eyeball. And the pupil, which is right here, it opens and closes due to the amount of light being received. And the iris, which is right here, the iris is the colored stuff around your eye. It's the muscle which controls this movement. And so then the light travels through the cornea, which is right here, and is focused onto the lens, which is just up here. And then the lens changes its shape, which is known as accommodation, so the light can be focused correctly onto the retina, which is back here. And then inside of the retina are cells called rods and cones, and these convert the light energy into a neural impulse. And the cones are clustered into a central point of the retina known as the fovea, which is right here. Okay, so the rods are right here, so they're the blue things, and the cones are right here, they're the orangish yellow things, and the rods and cones are connected to ganglion cells, which are the purple cells located right here, and through neurons called bipolar cells, which are these blue cells right here. And basically the ganglion axon cells form the optic nerve. But when the optic nerve leaves the eye, there are no receptor cells located there. So basically, a blind spot is created just right at the edge of the eyeball, right there. And then the neuron impulse travels from the optic nerves along the optic tract to the thalamus, also known as the lateral geniculate nucleus. So once the neuron impulse has traveled from the optic nerves, which are right here, along the optic tract to the thalamus, which is located right here, also known as the lateral geniculate nucleus, it is then processed in the visual cortex, which is back here. And the visual cortex is located in the occipital lobe of the brain. And then also located in the brain are cells called future detector cells. And these cells respond to specific features such as shape, angle, and movement. And then once the neuron impulse has reached the occipital lobe and feature detector cells, the parietal lobe then uses that information to turn the signals into body positions. Thank you.